What's up, guys? I'm going to get my license renewed. Hopefully the wait line is not too long. It is the Department of Licensing after all. So it's actually a little bright out here today in Washington. Basically any sun is bright when there's hardly any cloud cover, or partly cloudy, whatever you want to call it. My license expires in about a week or so. I got an email about someone wanting to buy my car or wanting to meet up, but I haven't heard back from them, so it's another flake, you know. I'm sure everyone's had a few of those, and all dealing with Craigslist or whatnot. But I'm hopeful, so we'll see what happens. If I don't hear back from him end of today or tomorrow, whatever. Yeah, make this light. Oh yeah. This weekend is gonna be a little different. My brother has actually been overseas. He's in the Army. He wasn't in Afghanistan or anything, but he was over there for a couple years overseas, and he's actually back home today. He just flew in today, and he's going to be stationed here in the States, so that is awesome. We did go and see him in Italy, which was really cool. We were there for about a week. It was really cool to see him. That was maybe a year and a half ago or so, I want to say. So he's actually going over to Eastern Washington to go see some of his buddies. And then we're going to have a surprise party for him. Or a welcome home party, I guess. So he's actually my younger brother. I have two younger brothers. We actually all get along. WRX over there. Looks pretty clean. It's got a huge wing on it. Wonder if he takes it to the track or not. Probably. Maybe. Who knows? It's Washington. Yeah, those newer Subarus, the, was it 2015 and up? I don't know. Impartial to them, I guess. I mean, I like them and I don't like them, but it's growing on me a little bit. But it kind of looks like an Evo slash Subaru slash every other car on the road. Now I read somewhere Washington has, like, I think it was like, there's a list of all the states and how horrible their roads are. I think Washington was like top 5. There's just potholes everywhere. It's awful. I mean, because there's so much rain. Like, any like little crack in the road will turn into a pothole within a week. Try to avoid them. The car's not lowered or anything, but just don't want to risk damaging any parts of hitting a really bad pothole or whatever. I'm so sick of this squeaky clutch. Sometimes I can tune it out, or turn up the radio or whatever, but man, I'm just so sick of it. Sounds like a pressing on a squeaky toy every time or something. If any of you have fixed this problem or know someone that fixed it and know the story, just let me know in the comment section, because this is just awful. I've tried to look it up like on YouTube or forums or whatever, and I haven't found anything that's worked, obviously. All right, guys, got my license renewed. $84 later. Good Lord. I think the previous years actually, it was like 60, but I do have a motorcycle endorsement, so that ups it by a few dollars, but $84. Won't be surprised if it reaches 100. Yeah, that didn't take too long. It was only about maybe a 20-minute wait, and then renewing the license part only took about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes, something like that. I don't know, probably about 5. So that wasn't that bad. I had to wait longer. My phone out. Yeah, had to wait a lot longer than that. Yeah, get all the green lights. I like this game. The green light game. The red light game I never win. It sucks. It's actually warm today. I don't even know what temperature it is, but last time I checked it was like 55. That's warm in Washington. Once it gets to 60 degrees, everyone starts wearing shorts and t-shirts. Man, I love the sound of these cars. I was talking to my wife about, different cars and see what kind of cars she likes. We would eventually want to get her a new car. Probably not anytime soon, but trying to find out what kind of car she wants or what kind of style or whatever, or even just like playing around with the idea of a different car for me, besides a Subaru. And I like the Lexus, the IS series. Those are nice. She asked me, she's like, well, is it loud? Does it sound good? I'm like, no, it's actually pretty quiet. I mean, it's kind of a luxury car. I'm like, well, if it's not loud, what's the point? Like, that is why I married you. Yeah. I like that she likes loud cars, or louder cars. Nothing like a Honda with a fart can on it. That just sounds ridiculous. Any car that sounds good. But she does like the sound of my car, or Subarus. She never used to notice Subarus until we started dating. And she would notice them all the time, and she can determine the sound of them now. Like every time she hears a Subaru or hears a car or a loud exhaust, she can tell if it's a Subaru or not. If you find a girl that will, stick with you, that enjoys the things that you enjoy, or will hang out with you doing the things you enjoy, like doing car stuff, she's a keeper. I am home, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.